After getting my MacBook Pro this year, I was really excited, but I had some problems with it. And the problems that I had was regarding the dongle situation. And there has been a lot of solution out there, but today I have one thing that is gonna fix all of your problems. So let's check it out.
3, 2, 1.
So today I have iMXPW. This is relatively a new company. I never heard about them before, but this is a cool company. They came up with a really nice multi adapter that can solve a lot of your issues. And one thing that I really like, a lot of these adapters or these dongles, they're not 4K compatible. So when you plug in your HDMI to it, you're not gonna get the 4K quality, but this thing is different. So let's open it up and let's see what we have. It's supposed to be really good, the quality per se, but let's find out. Oh, all right. Does it come with a case? Okay, so first thing first, we have a happy or not happy card. That is nice. So if you're not satisfied with your purchase, you could literally contact them and they'll fix the problem for you. We have a little user manual. I don't know why you would need a user manual, but here's the stuff that it can do for you. Look at all those connections. And we have a 4K connection. That is cool. This thing I love. We have a leather case inside that you can store this inside of it. I am a big fan of organization and everything having its own place. So this by far is the nicest dongle that I yet had, that even has its own case. Usually I try to find case for the stuff that I have, but in this case you don't need that. So you're gonna go to the showpiece. Oh, this is surprisingly well made. Look at this. This is really nice. So what we have essentially is 2 USB-C ports. So it's gonna sit inside your computer pretty tightly without any problem. And in the other side we have 2 USB-C ports, we have an HDMI adapter, and 3 USB 3 points as well. Okay, this is nice. So in order to connect it, you just simply place it in and that's it. It is connected. Oh, and then we have a card reader right here. Oh, okay. So here's what I thought was something wrong with it. It is a little bit in a different height than your computer, but the reason is that when your computer is, you put it down, there are a couple of hinges right here that raise your laptop a little bit. So by this being a little bit raised, it is perfectly aligned. So check this out. Put it on the floor and then take it out without any pressure. You could place that in and then it's flat. This thing is the best adapter on the market. Now let's test this bad boy out. I don't know with what to test it, but I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I have tested this with my HDMI connector. I placed my actual SD card and downloaded the footage inside of my computer. It is pretty fast. I didn't have any problems with it and highly recommend it. Again, I'm gonna link it down below. Check them out. This is iMXPW, a really cool way to spice up your new Mac. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And also, by the way, if you didn't notice, I am doing a giveaway on a brand new Apple Watch Series 4 on my website. So head on down to the link below, full article, I have it somewhere down there, and then click on my website. On the right side you see a little box that says giveaway, and you could just check it out. And if you missed it, I have giveaways every 15 days, and that's it. See you guys later.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.